Welcome to Exam Ninja. Now I'm going to be putting you through of how to go about downloading your video lectures as well as activating your 30 days blueprint. So before we do that, you need to open this on a laptop or a Windows computer so that you can be able to download your video lecture arranged in a folder properly before moving to your Android device to make it easy and simple so it doesn't get scattered on your Android device. Before you begin your download process, kindly watch this video first to put you through on how to activate your video lecture before moving to your mobile device. Here is your Exam Ninja page. Here you have your various links to your various subjects, ranging from agric science to animal husbandry to your various subjects. So before we start downloading and activating our various videos on our various subjects, let's begin by registering by activating our 30 days blueprint. So to do that, you click on this link right here. You click on it. It's going to take you, so it's going to bring you to this Google Drive page. And here you have your various subjects. So to download any of the blueprints for your video lecture, for your various subjects, you click here. You click on any of the subjects. I'm going to be clicking on agric science blueprints. You right click on it. It's going to bring out various options. Then you click on download. So you do that for your various subjects, ranging from your agric to your animal husbandry and other subjects. So now let's go back to our Exam Ninja page. So here you have your various subjects. So before we start downloading our various subjects, you are going to be needing a laptop or a Windows computer for download so it can be arranged properly in a folder before moving to your mobile device. So it will make it easy and simple for you when studying. So to download any of your various subjects, you click on this link right here. It's going to take you to Google Drive page. So here you go. You can start downloading by clicking on any of the subjects to download your video lecture. Agric science lecture ranging from chapter 1 to the very last chapter. So to begin with, I'm going to be downloading from chapter 1 to the last chapter. So to download, you place your cursor here. You can see this arrow sign, which means download. You are going to be downloading one after the other to make it faster and easier. So you just click on this arrow pointing downwards, which means download. You click on it. Then you can see it here. It's downloading already. So while this is still downloading, you're going to go back to our desktop. So here is our desktop. You create a folder. You name it content. And to create a folder, it's easy and simple. So you just right click on your desktop. Brought out very option. You're going to click on new to create a new folder. Then you locate folder. You click on it. Then you name the folder content all in capital letters. Then you click on enter. Then you double click on the content folder you created. It's going to bring you here. Then right here, you are going to also, let me maximize it so you can see properly. It's going to bring you to this page. So you right click here in the middle of this page to create another folder. Remember, we are downloading agric science lecture videos. So you are going to create a new folder and we name it agric science lecture. So I'll just name it agric lecture. Click on enter. Then we'll go back to our downloads. You can see Chrome is down here, like I minimize it and it's down here. So you just locate it. You can see our video is still downloading. It's still downloading. Okay, and it's done downloading. You can see it stopped loading. That means it's done downloading. You're going to click on this arrow pointing upwards. You click on it to bring out more options. Then you just click show in folder. Show in folder. You click on it. Then it's going to bring you to where you have your downloads, your various downloads. So you can see it here. The particular lecture we are downloading is here. So you just copy it. You click on Ctrl C. Ctrl C. You copy it. Then from here, quick access to where you have your content folder. You locate your content folder from here. Let me maximize it so you can see properly. So here you will locate your desktop. Double click on it. Then you scroll to locate your content folder. Now here's the content folder we created. Remember, we named it content, all in capital letters. So you double click on it. And remember, we are downloading Agric Science lecture. Now here's the folder for it, Agric lecture. You double click on it to open. Then you paste it. Right click on the page, you right click, then you locate the option paste. You can see it's very easy. So to download your video lectures, you go through the same process. You do it one at a time. And remember, you are downloading various lecture videos. So here is a step on how you download your Agric lecture. We created a folder for Agric lecture. So when we are done downloading all the lectures in Agric, we are done downloading all the videos, and we have pasted them inside our lecture folder in our desktop. Then you create another folder and name it Agric question and answer. So you right click on this page, you locate new, you locate folder, then you name it. Remember, we are downloading our Agric question and answer now, so you name it Agric question and answer QA to make it easier. So you can also do that in capital letter, QA. So you click on enter. Then you go back to here, you go back to your browser where you have your various lectures. Remember, we are done with this. You can just go back, click on this arrow pointing backwards, and click on the arrow pointing backwards. We are done with our lecture. We are moving over to our Agric Science question and answer. So the same way you located your Agric lecture, you're going to be doing the same. You double click on the folder. It's going to bring you to this page where you have the various chapters ranging from chapter 1 to the very last chapter. So you're going to click on this arrow pointing downwards, which means to download. You click on it, and it's going to show you here in this bar right here when it starts downloading. And for you to know that it's downloading, you can see it is loading. It's loading. It's going round and round. It's loading. So let's wait for it to download. So our lecture, our question and answer for Agric Science is done downloading. So you go through the same process, like the same way we went through it for the Agric Science lecture videos. You can see this arrow pointing upwards. You click on it. Then you locate show in folder. Remember, show in folder. Don't click on open. You click on show in folder. So I click on it. It's going to bring me here. Now you can see my downloaded lecture here. You can see it's highlighted. Let me maximize it so you can see it properly. So you can see it's highlighted here. Then you just copy it. Right click. You click on copy. Then you locate your content folder on your desktop. So you click on desktop, double click on it. You locate your content folder. Now here's my content folder. Double click on it. Remember, we are downloading our Agric Science question and answer. So we double click on the Agric Science question and answer. Double click on it. Then you paste it. You right click on this page here. Then you select paste. So you can see it's done. So you are going to go through the same process for other video lectures. If you want to start downloading your biology lecture, you also go through the same process. You create a folder, new folder, and you name it biology lecture. You click on enter. You also go back to your Chrome. You click on this arrow to take you back to where you have the various folders. You click on your biology lecture, double click on it. It's going to take you to the page where you have the various chapters in biology ranging from chapter 1 to the very last chapter. So the same way, you click on this arrow pointing downward, which is to download, and it's going to show you that it's downloading down here on this rectangular bar down here. So you know that it's downloading with the weights moving upwards and downwards in the circular motion. So while we are waiting for this one to be done downloading, remember, for each of the lecture videos you're downloading or the question and answer, you have to create a folder for it. so you don't get scattered while you are trying to view your video lectures. And also remember, you have to create a folder, name it content. Then in that content folder, that is where you have your various folders for your various subjects, ranging from your math and lecture folder, your math question and answer folder, and so on and so forth. So make sure it is arranged properly so that it don't give you issues when you are trying to play your video lectures on your mobile device. So we're going to go back. Okay, so our video is done downloading. So you're going to click on this arrow pointing upwards. You click on it, it's going to bring out various options. Again, you click on show in folder, after which is going to display on your downloads. Then you can see it highlighted here. You can see the one we just finished downloading is highlighted here. Then you just copy it. Like I said, you can either use the shortcut Ctrl+C, or you right click and you locate copy on the options here. Then you go over to your content folder. Remember your content folder, you can locate it from here. It's on your desktop, so you click on desktop, you locate your content folder. Remember, we are downloading our biology lecture videos, so you double click on the biology lecture. It's going to open this blank page because it happens to be that is the first one we are downloading. So you double click on it, it's going to bring out this blank page. Then you paste your copied video lecture here. You're going to right click on this page here. You right click, it's going to bring out this box. You have various options here. Then you just select paste, your paste option. Here you go. Here you have your video lectures. So you are going to go through the same process in downloading all your various subjects, ranging from your maths to your English. You create a folder for each of those subjects. And now when you are done with all the downloads, let's go back to our desktop. So I'm going to minimize this page and minimize this. So here we go. Remember, you have to download making use of your system, so your video lectures are well arranged in a folder before moving to your Android device. So here we go. Here we have it. Here's our content folder on our desktop. When we are done downloading, then we can connect our phone. You can connect your phone. You connect your system using a cord, using your charging cord. So you are going to connect your phone to your system using a charger cord. So once you've done that, once connected to the system, it's going to bring out this option. And on your phone, you're also going to have a notification. It's going to bring out charge the device or transfer files. So on your phone, you're going to click on transfer files. I click on it, then I go over. You see it's going to bring out this option also. Then you just click on open device to view files. You click on it, you double click on it. It's going to bring you here. You can either choose to copy this content folder you have in your system. Remember, I said copy. So just copy it. You might want to move it to your phone, but let's say just in case you mistakenly delete it from your phone, you can always go back to your system and recopy rather than re-downloading over and over again. So you're going to either choose to copy it into your memory space, into your memory internal storage, or into an SD card, your memory card. So I'm going to be copying mine into my memory card. So I'm just going to go back. Here's my content folder. You click on it, then you right click and you click on copy. You click on the option copy, then you locate. You go back here. You can see the phone. You can see my phone option is displayed here. I'm just going to click on it. Then remember, I told you I'll be copying mine to my memory card because you can see my internal storage is kind of full. So I'm copying into my memory card. So I'll just double click on it. Let's maximize this so you can see it properly. After I've done that, I'm just going to paste it here. Ctrl+V. Or you right click on the page and locate your paste option. So you can see everything we've downloaded, everything we've downloaded to our content folder, they are all inside the content folder in my phone, in my Android device. So you can see, just double click on it. Here you go, here you have it. So once you've done this, let's go back to our desktop. Once this is done, you can then disconnect your phone from your system. Like you can disconnect it, then you go to your Google Play Store Okay, so to download your Starry Gold Academy app, all you need to do is to locate your Play Store, your Google Play Store. So here's my Google Play Store. I'm going to click on it. So you can see it's open. This is my Google Play Store page. I'm going to locate my search bar. Now this is the search bar here. I'm going to click on it and type in Starry Gold Academy app. Now you can see it brought out the option Starry Gold Academy app. I'm going to click on it. It's loading. Now you can see it brought out various options. I'm going to be clicking on the very first option, Starry Gold Academy. You click on it. Then it brought out an option, install. So you click on install. So you can see it's loading. It's going in circular motion. That means it's loading. So if you have a good internet, it's going to be done in no time. So now we are done installing the Starry Gold Academy app. So here it brought out two options, uninstall, open. So you are going to be clicking on open to open the Starry Gold Academy app. So first thing you should know is that you should connect to the internet. Ensure that you're connected to the internet to activate it. So we are connected to the internet. I'm just going to click on allow. You can see it's loading. So now here you have it. You have the various lectures that we have moved from our system to our Android device. So no need to locate your content folder. Here you have it. Here is the Greek question and answer. Here is the lecture, and here is your biology lecture. So to play your video lecture, you just click on any of the subjects you want to go through first. You click on it, then you select the chapter you want to go through. It's going to bring you to this part where you need to activate. Now your activation ID is your email address, the email address you gave to us during purchase. So you just type in your email address here and you click on activate. Now this is all you need to do to activate your video lecture on your Android device. Thank you.